Welcome to Language Booster TV. I am your teacher Eric Bunani. Today we are going to learn top 5 English sentences you should know. And these sentences will be translated in Kiswahili. Okay? Let us start. Number 1. What is your name? What is your name? In Swahili, jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? You just try to practice. What is your name? Okay. Jina lako ni nani? And the answer for this question, my name is Eric. My name is Eric. Just replace Eric by your name. My name is Eric. Katika Kiswahili unaweza kusema jina langu ni Eric. Jina langu ni Eric. You speak. Try to speak. Jina lako ni nani? Jina langu ni Eric. The question number 2. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Katika Kiswahili, unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? The answers for this question. I live at Simbi. I live at Simbi. I live at Simbi. Katika Kiswahili, the answer for this, ninaishi Simbi. Ninaishi katika Simbi. Naweza kuongeza katika au kaiacha. No matter. I live at Simbi. Ninaishi katika Simbi. Unaishi wapi? Ninaishi katika Simbi. So the question number 3. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? In Swahili, we ask this question as una miaka mingapi? Una miaka mingapi? Una miaka mingapi? How old are you? Una miaka mingapi? Answer for this question. I am 10 years old. For example, you will just speak or tell your ears. You will tell us your ears. The years you have. For example, I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. Nina miaka 10. Nina miaka 10. Kama ni if they are 20 years, you will say nina miaka 20. Nina miaka 20. If they are 30 years, you will say nina miaka 30. 30. Nina miaka 30. Una miaka mingapi? Nina miaka 30. Yes. And the question number 4. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Katika Kiswahili, unapenda kula nini? Unapenda kula nini? To eat, kula. Unapenda kula nini? The answer for this question, I like to eat. For example, you can say rice. You put the name of the food you like to eat. I like to eat rice. Ninapenda kula wali. Rice, wali. Rice. Ninapenda kula wali. Try to speak. We unapenda kula nini? You can say, ninapenda kula wali, ninapenda kula mihogo, ninapenda kula maharagwe, na kadhalika, etc. So, on the last question is, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You try to speak as fast as possible. Where, slowly, where are you going? Where are you going? Katika Kiswahili, this question is, unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? And there's some who says, unakwenda wapi? It is also used. Unaenda wapi? The answer for this question, I'm going to. You complete with the place where you are going. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. For example, I prefer market. You can say, I am going to the church. I am going to the playground. And the answer in Swahili, unaenda wapi? Jibu linaweza kuwa, ninaenda sokoni. Ninaenda sokoni. At the market. Soko, market. Sokoni, at the market. Ninaenda sokoni. Let us try to revise these questions. Try to answer. You can take your friend and try to practice these questions. One will ask a question, another one will answer this question. Question number 1, what is your name? The answer, my name is Eric. Katika Kiswahili, jina lako ni nani? The answer, jina langu ni Eric. Question number 2, where do you live? Where do you live? The answer for this question, I live at. You can complete with the place where you live. I live, for example, at Simbi. Katika Kiswahili, unaishi wapi? Ninaishi katika Simbi. Question number 3, how old are you? Here you say your years. How many years you have? How old are you? The answer for this question, I am 10 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 13 years old. You can complete with the years you have. So, in Swahili, una miaka mingapi? Una miaka mingapi? Jibu linaweza kuwa, nina miaka 10, nina miaka 20, nina miaka 30, nina miaka 15. Unaweza kukamilisha na miaka yako unayo. Question number 4, what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? I like to eat rice. I like to eat Irish potatoes. In Swahili you can say, unapenda nini? Ninapenda kula wali. Ninapenda kula mbatata. Irish potatoes, mbatata. Au viazi mviringo, Irish potatoes. Ninapenda kula viazi vitamu. I like to eat sweet potatoes. Yeah, you can choose the food you like. The last question is, where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the church. I'm going to school. Unaenda wapi? Ninaenda sokoni. Ninaenda kanisani, church, at the church. Kanisa, kanisani. Ninaenda shuleni. Shule. School. At school. Shuleni. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe to our channel in order to get more videos about languages, free languages, English, Swahili, and Kinyarwanda. You can choose which language do you want to learn better. Choose. Tell us in a comment. Tell us the subject, the lesson you want to study. Tell us the language you want more. We will upload the video according to your desire. Thank you very much. I love you. Bye bye. I'm your teacher, Rick.